Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn a stack of envelopes into a book. It turns out really cool because the envelope become pockets to store keepsakes or photos, or in my case, a postcard collection. Let's get crafting. You'll need scrapbook paper, chipboard, adhesive, a paper cutter, and envelopes of course. Cut 2 pieces of chipboard that are 1/4 inch longer and wider than your envelopes. Cut decorative paper to the same size as the chipboard and glue it on. This will be the book's front and back covers. To make the spine, cut a piece of cardstock 3.5 inches wide and as tall as the chipboard you cut. Make 2 score lines in the spine piece of paper. The first score line is 1 inch from the right side and the second score line is 2 inches from the left side. Using the score lines, line up the front and back chipboard pieces and glue them in place. The spine should overlap 1 inch on the front cover and 2 inches on the back cover with a 1/2 inch gap in between. Now let's make the book pages. Place all the envelopes into a stack, flap side up. Make sure they're all facing the same direction. Put adhesive along the triangle flap part, then stack the next envelope on top of it, lining it up on all the sides. Then repeat and repeat until the entire stack is glued together. So now let's attach the envelope pages into the book cover. Remember, the book cover is slightly larger than the envelopes, so you'll want to line the inside edge of the first envelope and the inside front cover, and then leave that little 1/8 inch border showing around the other 3 sides. Line up the straight edge of the triangle shape flap with the inside edge of the back cover and glue that down too. Now you can line the inside cover pages with paper cut to size, and then comes my favorite step, adding all the embellishments and decorations. I have some really helpful measurement charts on my site if you need more help to make this book. The link for that is in the video description. And if you have a fun idea for how you'd use this book, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear. I hope you have so much fun making an envelope book. Happy crafting!